The gang's back together. Where y'all at? Where was y'all at? We was looking for y'all.
Ryder was literally scared to come up here.
You was scared? We was looking for y'all. Y'all got lost?
Good dream, gang, 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 good dream,
Ready? Come on.
Alright, come on, Ryder. Rainbow, come on.
Go, Rin Rin.
Okay, ready, go. See ya, Ryder. See ya. Alright, y'all, we finna go down this slide right here.
Here go Roddy. I got up here fast, boys.
Renzo, you having fun?
Y'all ready to see us do this?
Okay, ready? Set.
Oh. You like that, dude?
Yay! Good job, you guys. Come on, Papa. Oh, shoot. We gotta go backwards? Don't shoot nobody with it, though. Oh, that one's too big, True.
We can do it. Watch. Come on, Rin Rin. Come on, Rin. Renzo! Got it, baby? Ooh. Come on, wifey. Come on, wifey.
I chopped the first slide.
We done lost the boys. Look, we gotta go up another one.
What?
This way, look. Let's go, Rin Rin. Let's go, Rin Rin. You ready? Let's go, baby. Yeah, I can get through. You can't go? Renzo doing it like nothing. He like, I can walk through here.
I know.
Go ahead, Renzo. Come on, Ren. Look, Renzo. Smashing out on me, wifey. Renzo. We on the 16th floor, y'all. Hey, there he is. Look at this guy. Come on, Ryder, let's go, Ryder, let's go, Ryder. Let's go, Ryder. The gang's back together. The gang's back together. Where y'all at? Where was y'all at? We was looking for y'all.
Ryder was literally scared to come up here.
You was scared? We was looking for y'all. Y'all got lost? Look, come on, we got some more secret spots for y'all. You finna hit that real quick? Go ahead, son.
Okay,
Renzo, come here. Hey, Uptown Jungle. There's some more secret spots I gotta take the kids to in there. I gotta take the kids to all the secret spots. Y'all ready? Come on. It's another secret spot, gang. Come on. Uh-oh. All right. So, guys, this spot right here, this one It's gonna take us. Yeah, this is the secret spot. It's gonna take us down. All right. It's another slide in there too. All right. It'll take us down. We can go down the slide or we can go on the thing to get down. Well, let's go. Let's go. Hey, you'll find it. Watch. Go up in there. Let's go, gang. So this is the secret spot. I was trying to tell my kids, but it took Ryder some time to get right here. He was crying because he has to go through this. I'll go back up there and get through this in 5 seconds. Feel me? You don't think so, son? Y'all took a little wife. You had a little struggle coming down here, huh?
Yeah, because she had Ryder.
You was on the 3rd floor? They was way up there.
I was first. I was first place.
You came down here fast, huh?
Ryder was slowing me down.
Ryder was?
Yeah.
I heard him crying. I said, Renzo, let's go catch a slide. We finna go find that slide.
You made us do it and you didn't do it.
No, I wanted to do, but Renzo, when I seen Ryder, I'm like, Renzo ain't finna go down there. Heck no. Daddy? Oh! You see? Okay. Come here, we go down the slide. We go down the slide. Come here, Renzo. Come follow Daddy. Come on. Renzo. Renzo. Come here.
Yay, come on, baby.
We're gonna come up there right
Ready, set, go. Woo.
There they are. Let's go, guys. All right.
Oh, my nail. Ouch.
Race where? You think you want some of Daddy?
Fun. So Ryder doesn't want to do some of the stuff that is upstairs, but having fun, huh? You don't want to go on this one? What's wrong with this one? You don't want to do this one? Well, Romeo just did it. Okay, he might be trying to warm up to go in now that he see that his big brother did it. Good job. Hold on, Ryder. Ooh, true. You should be ashamed of yourself. Babe, he trying to go in there, Ro. You left him. He's right here. No, you left Ryder. He was trying to go with you.
Oh, I think it's already. It's already like that.
Good job. Now let Ryder go with you.
That was tight. You wanna go check it out, wifey?
Yeah.
Or you want me to race Rover? I'll smash Rover
No,
right now.
y'all, Ryder want to go, but
Ryder,
he
you wanna
needs
go
to
in
go
there?
with somebody. He doesn't want to go by
Come here,
himself.
Let's go. Let's go. You coming? Go, baby. Go, baby.
Yay, good job. You made it. Yeah.
Tell them how much fun you have, son.
100%.
100%. Ryder. Renzo. Hey, Renzo. Say hi. You got something to say, Ryder? You got something to say to him? What's up? What's up? Romeo, let me see a trick, son. See? Look at Renz. Ryder, you got any tricks you want to show Daddy? Let me see it. Yep. Let's see it. Whoa. Okay. You got a backflip in you? Yep. You don't want to?
I know how to defend.
Look it, come on Daddy. Ryder, what you doing? You coming down? Come on, let's go up. We're coming up. Right. Man, this looks like Barbie Zone.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. You ready?
Yeah, let's see how much strength you got, son. Ooh, see how long you can stay up there like that, son.
That's my mommy. This is why we
Look at him. Woo!
Okay, let's do it one more time.
I see you, Ryder. I see you.
Romeo loves heights. Swing!
Let's go, roll. We did it. Did you have fun, man? You have fun, Renzo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. How about you guys? You guys have fun? Ryder, you have fun?
I want to be on that side, and then one be on that side.
You have one more slide to get on?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Good dream, gang, gang, good dream, gang, good dream.